We represent the allele for blood type A as a capital I, standing for immunoglobulin, with a superscript A, and that allele which represents the O blood type as being a lowercase I because it is recessive. When an individual who is homozygous for A alleles has children with someone who is homozygous for the O alleles and is thus blood type O, all of the children receive at least one A allele, and therefore, since A is dominant to O, therefore all of the children are heterozygotes but are blood type A. The B allele is also dominant to O, so it is also written with a capital letter I, but with a B superscript. It turns out that this gene for this immunoglobulin has more than two alleles. The A, the B, and the O are all common. Since the B allele is also dominant to O, when an individual who is homozygous for B has children with someone who is homozygous for O, all of the children are heterozygotes, and since they have an allele for B, they have the B blood type. When Mendel described the interaction between two alleles, he observed that one was typically dominant over the other. What he did not observe is the interaction which we see between the A and the B alleles. If a child receives instructions from one parent to synthesize A glycoproteins for their red blood cells, here represented by yellow triangles, and the same child receives instructions from the other parent to synthesize B glycoproteins, here represented with green triangles, on their red blood cells, then they will make both the A and the B glycoproteins. And so as far as their phenotype is concerned, they will be both A and B. So therefore, these two alleles are referred to as being codominant, because individuals who have one of each allele, the heterozygotes, instead of having one phenotype or the other, or something partway between the two homozygous conditions, instead they have both of the homozygous conditions simultaneously. This is typical in a codominant inheritance pattern. Therefore, inheritance problems involving blood type can be a little complicated. If an individual who is heterozygous for the A allele has children with someone who is heterozygous for the B allele, 1/4 of the children are blood type AB, 1/4 of the children are blood type A, 1/4 of the children are blood type B, and then 1/4 of the children receive both recessive alleles and are therefore blood type O.